Let's have a brief look at RRECKTEK's predictive analytics framework, solving the traveling salesman problem. This component is written using Python and leverages open source based solving environments. If you aren't familiar with the traveling salesman problem, it's actually a very common situation and is solved thousands of times a day all over the world. It occurs when something needs to make a series of deliveries or stops to a list of locations. It can be obvious what is the best path to take sometimes, but it isn't always, especially when dealing with a machine. Determining which route is actually the best changes based on a business's priorities. Maybe the idea is to save gas or take the shortest route. In other situations, the most important thing is to minimize the time the cargo is in transit, like for a school bus or delivering flowers. Our capability is offered in a manner that facilitates deployment based on the scale you need. Let me show you what I mean. As a first step, let's glance at some input data. Here, you can see it's a list of coordinates and values, not very different from the format that comes out of a GPS software apps from your cell phone. Now in this window, let's watch as a cloud instance solves for 20 nodes. It's over in 4 seconds. This window, the framework is solving for 25 different stops. That takes 8 minutes. The key to appreciating this accomplishment is knowing that all the other possible solutions were considered, which far exceeds any human ability to think it all through. We're solving for the global optimum, not a local one. This is because that going to the lowest cost destination from each step doesn't always produce the best overall solution. Over here, the exact same problem was solved using a larger R2 class virtual machine. In the end, it calculates about 12% faster. Our adaptive solving environment was designed to solve this and dozens of other complex mathematical equations using the power of the cloud. We understand the cloud and how it works.